President William Ruto niwaweta kana silikali yake niyailitye ukwati kutheesya ngalama ya mikalile ovamwe na maundu angi mevo uiiti vala niwaweta kana nuvaniite kuvikia kwailya venene mivia ya usesei na munomuno muvia wa ita haile na kauntini ya Mombasa kavindani kala evikite cha thini cha kutania miaka 60 ya Kenya nevi Ruto niwaweta no twaisya uneno nyena ene yanda maundu ni usesei kwikithia kana mivia ene ya kwatu ambao ni kana kululumilia mauwa wa nthi ya Kenya ayongela kana no kuvikia kwailya mivia the way Uthukumi na meiyo ya matukua na ilani nzia ya kwikithia kana ni mokitana kwa mituki na imama ikana sieko ila itonya kwete uvungulu wa mauwa. Angelina Museni watumbani sail voti kwa uliko.
President William Ruto no gwetekana silikali yake ni Uthukumi mwene nthi nuvaniite kwa kutheesya ngalama ya mikalile kwailya ukwati na kwailya maundu uiiti kati wa maundu angi vala yu gwetekana itina kwanisya onthe no kuvikia kwikia malonyo me mwanya kwailya mivia yonthe akiusesei ni kana muwo vikie kukwatikana.
And I am very confident that having stabilized the economy of our country, having done the primary things that we all needed to do to make sure that we take charge of the cost of living, to make sure that we reduce our inflation, to make sure that we stabilize our currency, and to make sure that we deal with our exchange rates. And now that our housing plan is on course and our universal health coverage is on course, I can now confirm that we are ready and in a place where we can deploy resources in the modernization of not just our police, but much more importantly, our military.
Ruto no kwetekana yu ni kana maendeleo mavikie kukwatikana no muvo kama maundu ma usesei mavikie kwithwa niyailitye venene.
Progress going forward, development going forward is going to be anchored on peace, security, and stability, without which all other endeavors of our nation will be in jeopardy.
No kwetekana itina kutwaisya unene na ndongo ina ene yanda kivathukani maundu ni usesei ni maoni eve na vata wa maundu usesei kwithiwa niyailitye venene kwa kutumia meiyo ya matukwa ya kukitana na sieko sia uvungulu wa mauwa isione kivathukanyo va nthi ya Kenya.
The discussions I have had with the leadership of the Ministry of Defense are on course, and if there is one, in fact, there is only one advice I got from the Commander-in-Chief that came before me. And he asked me, when resources become available, modernize our security agencies. And I intend to do that.
Uo kakavindani kala vikite cha thini cha kutania miaka 30 ya muvia wa Kenya ne vivala muvia uwa weto kwithwa kunite jeki maundu makwa ile usesei na muwe nthini wa isio kivathukanyo yivo mivakani ila yiukangani.
Looking ahead, Your Excellency, the challenges facing Kenya Navy are greater than ever before. Security threats in our region continue to evolve and multiply. Our maritime interests also continue to expand, particularly the opportunities available in the blue economy. It is therefore implicit that capabilities and readiness of our naval forces continue to grow and modernize.
As we celebrate this historic milestone, it is important to acknowledge the unwavering support of the spouses and children of our sailors, both past and present. Their sacrifices and encouragement have been instrumental in helping our commanders and sailors achieve their objectives. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to all the men and women of the Kenya Navy for their commitment, selflessness, and tenacity. Your commitment to duty and country is an inspiration to us all.
Ngilivotia vilingi wa mevo kuma kauntini ya Mombasa ni cha wa Angelina Museni.